Welcome back to the video. Right now I have this chart of Idfc Limited, and when I glanced at this chart, I was of the view that the current ongoing correction, which has lasted for more than I think 8-12 months. Let's count it. So that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So that's roughly an year of correction, wherein the price did not very well go below, I think, 30% from the top. So let's calculate that first. um, so yeah, that's pretty much 23-24%. And when I look at this correction and I look at this kind of previous correction, I could very well spot a fact that there is some sort of alternation between these two corrective waves. That makes me believe that this is the current trend, or the current correction is just a routine correction of a larger degree, and that whenever this correction ends, a move on the higher side would start. So if that is the case, then I would like to label this move as wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and this sideways flattish kind of correction as wave 4. Even though there are multiple ways of labeling this correction, I would like to keep it very simple of labeling this as wave 4. And if we are labeling this as wave 4, we ultimately tend to assume that after the completion of wave 4, we would really start to see a move on the higher side in wave 5 towards, at least towards 150-200 levels. So that is what I'm currently looking at. So if I go on to the weekly chart, and so this is the weekly chart, and the top here is a wave third, and probably what I'm anticipating is this is the bottom of the ending of wave 4. So there are multiple ways of labeling this correction. I could label this as an ABCW X ABCY. Let's go with that, this being W X Y, and then again I have to repeat this. So this would mean that this is some sort of a complex correction that has come to an ending. And even when I look at the price action right from the recent low, the recent swing low that comes around 104.50, yeah, so that itself is an impulsive move according to me. And if I take a look at this correction, this itself is an impulsive move. I would label this as wave 1 and this as wave 2, meaning that there is a strong possibility that the next move might not go below 104. So that is a stop loss from a trading perspective. So I would really start to look at this stock from current levels, and I would really like to add up into the stock once it starts to cross above certain swing highs of 112, or even the wave 1 top of, I think, 114.70. Let's round it off to 115. So ideally, when it starts to go above 115, I would be sure of the possibility of my wave counts being right. And if that is true, I would really like to ride this trend all the way up till 130 to 140 levels, which are the life high of this stock, and above that the stock could very well go towards 180 to 100 levels. If I have some sort of bullish perspective in Idfc Limited, I'm bound to have some sort of bullish inclination in Idfc First Bank as well. So if I look at Idfc First Bank, then this itself also tells me that this has got some sort of corrective move going on, and I could very well plot it in some sort of parallel channel. So let's try doing that first. So the thing is, when we choose this logarithm options, the trend lines get placed in a different way, but we have to do that manually in investing.com. But once we log in into TradingView, there is we don't really have to do it manually. We could do it with TradingView does it for us. So I'm thinking that this parallel channel would mean that the correction is getting over, and we are in a bottoming stage of this stock. So ideally I would look for a breakout above these levels of 75, 76 levels, and once it starts to go about 76, I would start to believe that my previous assumption of being bullish on IDFC First Bank and IDFC Limited is true, and then the stock would really start to go towards 100, 120, 130 levels. Well, that was it for the video. Thank you.